Yeah, hey guys, Paul Wilson here. Now, basically I wanted to create this video, this training, just to show you how to set up your funnel in Clickfunnels and your Aweber share code. Now, if you're using our shared funnel if you've applied for affiliate link and you're using that link and you don't want to host any of this yourself or set it up yourself, then don't take any notice of this video. Don't try to follow this video unless you're planning on getting a Clickfunnels account and you've got an Aweber account, or you're planning on getting an Aweber account. Because as I say, this setup is for the guys that want to host their own pages and build their own list. As I say, if you're using our affiliate system where we follow up on your behalf, you really don't need to worry about this. So I just wanted to kind of get that in to begin with. So if you are watching this video wondering what it's all about, then you know that's basically what it is. So yeah. Anyway, straight into this video. Basically, then Ryan has set up a funnel. I'm just going to quickly show you in Clickfunnels. We've got 4 pages here. If you click on the link, the share code link below this video somewhere, there's going to be a Clickfunnels, a Clickfunnels share code, which will share this funnel to you. Now that is basically 4 pages, and they're all these webinar pages. I'm just going to show you what you need to do to edit them and get them set up and all the rest of it. So this probably will end up kind of a 20-25 minute video, I'd imagine, just to get you kind of all set up and ready to go. So first off, I mean, this is the page we're looking to create. If we click on register my spot now, you can pick a date or whatever here, but it's going to ask for name and email address here. Now, what you want to do is set this up so that it's going into your Aweber and it's building your list and all the rest of it. So basically, currently I've got this list here. I'm actually going to create a new list because I'm doing this for myself for the very first time as well. I'm actually creating my own funnel using this funnel as a template. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into manage lists and I'm going to say create a list. Now, if you've got an Aweber account already, you may well know what to do here. But for whatever reason, I'm just creating a new list for this so that all my emails that I change within my shared funnel, I can just reshare them and all the rest of it. So I want to keep this side of it separate. So first off, it's going to ask you for a company name. I just put my name in there. Existing address. I put an address in there. This is an address that I pay for. You will need an address in there to be compliant by law. Sender name and address. Again, put in whatever you like in there. It's all pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to spend too much on this, on going too much in depth, because if you guys are setting this up on your own, you've probably got some kind of technical know-how as well. You know, and you've probably used Aweber before and stuff. So right, so list name I'm going to call Bloggle Webinar. That's what I'm going to call mine, and then I'm just going to call mine webinar list for Bloggle subscribers. Okay, I might change that later on. Quite often I put a link in here because if people click unsubscribe, this actually comes up on the unsubscribe page. And they can click a link, so you might want to put the page that they subscribe to or whatever, just to kind of jog their memory, but it's entirely up to you. So let's see if that's available. Yes, that's available. Right, approve your confirmation message. Just click approve for now because we're going to turn off automatic confirmation for this list. So we've got Bloggle Webinar, that's our new list. I'm going to come down here, list settings. And I'm going to click on confirmed opt-in and just come down here where it says send a confirmed opt-in email for web forms. Click on that no. Are you wish to disable? Yes, I want to disable it. So disable that. Otherwise, when people input their name and email address, it will actually send them an email out saying, are you sure you want to subscribe to this list? Click this link. And you're going to lose a whole bunch of people potentially because they can't be bothered. They don't see the email in time. It gets lost for whatever reason. So turn all that off. Make sure you click the save at the bottom of the page. And there we have it. There is our list created. So currently we have no follow-ups in this email. So if you click on messages and you click on looking for campaign sharing, yes I am. click on that link, and we want to load a campaign. Again, I'll put the link below this video somewhere with the Aweber share code, but for now I've got that in this list here. Here is my Aweber share code, and I'm going to paste that in here, and I'm just going to click on load campaign. Now this actually takes sometimes 20 to 30 seconds to load in, and we'll just give it a little bit of time, let it load in. But this is going to be all of the basically everything that you need in order to get this set up. This is currently 14 days of email follow-ups, literally everything. So I'll just wait for that to load. Shouldn't take too long. We just need to make some list adjustments before we go any further as well. So once this is finished loading up, it always seems to take a long time when you're waiting for it to load up. But I could pause this video, but to be honest, it literally is going to be a few more seconds, I'd imagine, and it will be in there. There we go. Right. So as you can see, here is all our follow-up emails. Now you do not need to edit any of these emails. It's all done, all the links and everything, your name, the whole lot is done through global fields. Now first of all, you just need to go to custom fields. I don't think this is going to be relevant for you in this list. You may or may not have a bloggle list here. If you do have a bloggle, no, in fact no, you're not going to need that. Ignore that, because you do not need that for this list. What we're going to come down to is list settings. We're going to go personalize your list, and we're going to scroll down here, and down here we have some global fields. Now if you look at here, text snippets they call them, so global text snippets. Now you'll probably find these are populated with all my information. So as you can see, it's got my bloggle ID there, it's got my last name, my bloggle ID there. Bloggle link is just going to be literally the bloggle link. Let me just show you where to get that one. Bloggle. So my power. Right, this is your bloggle link that you need, is that one. Okay, so that one goes in here. I've just got basically a tracking link on there, so I could put the same one in. It really doesn't make any difference. So that's the bloggle link. This affiliate ID here goes into there. Now setup page, what you want is the last part of your bloggle ID, which is this part here. Trust my computer to start beach balling on me. Okay, I don't know why it's doing this. Right, let's come back to here. Right. So you want to copy the last page, like bloggle.me / and then this is your affiliate part here. So copy that, come back to list settings. You want to edit this one, come to the end, take off Paul Wilson, everything up to the question mark, and paste. So it'll be bloggle setup question mark your bloggle ID update. Surname, self-explanatory. Just put your surname in there. Webinar replay, edit. Again, we're going to go up to the end, take the Paul Wilson off, and we're going to put your bloggle ID back in, update. Bloggle link, edit, put your bloggle link in there. Again, that's the whole URL here. And your first name and your full name, as in first name and surname. And then just literally click on Save Settings. I'm not going to do it because I've updated it anyway, because I've got nothing to update in here. Now that is all you need to do. Once these fields are updated, all the emails that go out will be personalized to you, because these global fields are used all within the emails. So it will come from you, or it will have your personalized links in there. Excuse me, literally everything. You don't need to go in and edit the emails because they've all been written for these fields. So once you've edited these, you're done. That is Aweber finished. You don't need to do any more. So we're going to come back to Clickfunnels. Now you've got these 4 pages. You're going to need to edit these 4 pages here. Now I've not done mine yet, so I'm going to just basically be doing this as we go. So first of all, on this page, you can leave everything as it is, The only thing we're going to need to change, it's entirely up to you. If you want to change like things like name and stuff like that at the bottom, you can. I would leave all these on here because again, it's Ryan is the expert in this, and you know you need to. I mean, one thing I am going to try actually is by putting my own video here and kind of endorsing Ryan and getting them to get on the webinar. I will be doing that as a test. But literally, all we need to do in here is click email. I'm going to remove the integration from there. And then I'm going to come back. I've already connected my Aweber, so you just need to make sure your Aweber is connected in Clickfunnels. So click on Aweber, and then it's going to come up with all my lists. I need to create a web form. Okay, forgot about that. So come back to Aweber then. Bloggle webinar, sign up forms. We just need to create a sign up form. So create sign up form there. Name and email. You can just leave those, take those off, it doesn't really matter. So leave a name and email, save your form, go to step 2, and I'm going to call this the list name, which is Bloggle Webinar. Bloggle Webinar. Okay. Don't need to worry about any of that because Clickfunnels handles it. Save your form. Now that is it, because we don't need to publish it from Aweber. So come back to here. Come back to Clickfunnels. Right, we're going to click on that. We're going to click on Integrate Existing Form. It's going to pull all our forms from Aweber. And we just need to find the one Bloggle Webinar. There we go. So it's list name and then it's got, so you can see it there. So Bloggle Webinar. If it's not appearing, you might just need to click on this refresh list from API just to pull it. If you did what I just did, for instance, and forgot to create it, you can just refresh list from API and it will pull them back there. So that's Aweber done. Just seeing if there's anything else here that we need to create or set up. No, that's it then. So just click on save and that's done. So that's page 1 done. Exit. Again, you can update these links here. I'm just going to leave them. I mean, if you click on the little cog there, it'll open up this and you can change the page URL and stuff in there. I'm not going to do that in this video. I will change them at some point. So next page, webinar countdown. Let's just see if there's anything we need to edit. There may or may not be, I don't know. I did have a quick look at these, but I've not gone through them to that extent. As I say, Ryan set these up. There's nothing in there to edit. This is all kind of generic stuff. So right, let's come back out of there. Page 3. Edit. Okay, so we've got a video here, we've got that there. Ask questions. Again, we can change that. I mean, I might change that. Ask questions for Ryan, maybe. This is the Facebook comments. We don't need to worry about that. So it's just this link here. And all we need to do here, so this is sale.clickfunnels.com/bloggle setup. And I think, yes. So what you need to do is this bloggle setup here. So this is the link we've got from here. We've got bloggle setup. You just double check that is the same link. Yeah. So we've got that link. So all we need to do on this link is put question mark and then your bloggle ID. So that's just going to be, again, this last section after the /. So copy that, come back to here, question mark, bloggle ID, and then that's it. Copy that and put that into here, into this field here, and then just click save and exit. Okay, and then we need to go and edit page 4. I'm going to click on edit, and we're just going to see what there is to edit on this page. Okay, we've got the video, we've got that, we've got the video, we've got the button here. Where does that go? Alright, that goes to blog all setup. So we need to make sure that's got our affiliate link in as well. Let me just check that. Is that the same as that one? Yes. So we just need to make sure, literally you've got blog all setup, question mark, and then blog all ID. So we come back to here again. It's just to make sure this ID is on the end. So copy that. And then we're going to put that in here. Click on save. And exit. And that is literally it, guys. We open this page here. This is it. This is ready to start marketing. All we need to do is just, this should be now attached to your Aweber. All the emails should be going out. All of these, that's the setup page that can be closed. All of the emails should be going out of your details. What else have we got here? All these pages should be set up for you. And this, they're all going into Aweber. So yeah, that's it, guys. Just double check everything. Opt into the list, check the links in the emails, check the links on the pages, check everything is working before you market it. But literally that is it for this training. So any questions, let me know, give me a shout, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.